Protection and communications are the security lifelines for your company's assets, personnel and safety, and continued operations. Without adequate fire and security communication, the fuse to a corporate disaster is rapidly burning. Now, state-of-the-art technology is available to defuse this hazardous situation and provide the commercial and industrial marketplace with a new dimension in early warning communications. A totally unique system developed by World Electronics is now in easy reach of every business, whether a hotel, office building, condominium, industrial plant, hospital, university, retirement community, municipal building, or shopping center. World systems are now in use in each of these business categories. This revolutionary system breaks the barriers of conventional wired systems by offering the user numerous performance advancements while providing substantial cost savings. The system provides pinpointing of each protection device rather than relying on zoned information. Installation is normally accomplished in 10% of the time of conventional systems. Unsightly wire mold, core boring, hidden refurbishing cost, and inconvenience to the client disappear. Since each protection device is powered individually by a supervised battery power source, protection cannot be lost in an area of the building due to electrical problems. Costly system maintenance is virtually eliminated, and savings to the client generally range from 35 to 50% less than conventional hardwired systems that report only one emergency. Founded in 1979, World Electronics spent years in research and development, including consultation with fire departments, to develop a system that includes advanced performance features for the safety of the occupants and firefighters alike. These important features were lacking in conventional equipment. The company's efforts resulted in the world's first radio-controlled combination fire, security, and personal emergency protection systems for the commercial marketplace. World Systems are now revolutionizing the entire fire detection and security industry by utilizing only the air we breathe for applications formerly accomplished by hardwired systems. The nucleus of the wireless system is a microprocessor-controlled repeater incorporating the latest in technological advancements, which creates a cellular communication link similar to the telephone network. This remarkable breakthrough not only relays radio signals, but also activates evacuation alarms, captures elevators, interfaces with computers, and even provides printed tapes of each occurrence. From one main control unit, the client can protect and monitor up to 255 separate and individually identifiable locations within the building or complex. The control unit is even customized to meet specific clients' needs, whether each device is identified by description or location, floor plan layout, or even a site plan of a complex. In fire emergencies, deadly smoke spreads rapidly, and the path the toxic smoke is traveling is critical to pinpoint as it progresses. The control unit not only provides alarm verification of each device, but also pinpoints the path of the fire as it progresses, even if it jumps floors, saving the firefighters precious seconds in identifying the concentration as well as the progress of the fire. The system microprocessor even maintains a perpetual memory of the last 50 alarms, and will recall them to reenact where an incident started and the exact path it took. With one main control unit, the client can provide up to 3 levels of security, such as fire, intrusion, personal emergency, computer theft, sprinkler flow and tamper, and so forth. Alarms are automatically processed in order of priority. Even special emergency communication requirements, previously unavailable, are now within easy reach, such as attack protection in parking garages, personal distress alert in nursing homes, locating people anywhere in a building, courthouse protection, and theft alert in retail and banking. These are just a few applications which are actual examples of existing installations. The versatility and applications for the World Wireless System are endless and limited only by your imagination. The system also identifies any problem with a protection device or the system itself by pinpointing the particular device as well as identifying the problem. This feature provides rapid and efficient repair and saves the client untold dollars in service fees. World recognizes that people react differently in an emergency, and the system is designed with a monitoring person in mind. Unlike many other systems, the World system incorporates a totally hands-free operation, not requiring any functions to be performed by the client's personnel. It even communicates to the emergency agencies automatically. This revolutionary system, developed by World Electronics, has been tested by two of the nation's leading independent testing laboratories and is listed by Underwriters Laboratories for the intended use for commercial applications. It was even tested at Disney World's Epcot Center, inside the planet Earth, thought to be the most stringent testing environment possible under one roof anywhere in the world. In a recent article in the New York Times, it was reported that World Electronics' new wireless technology was incorporated into the nation's largest code writing authority, the National Fire Protection Association, representing a major breakthrough in 90 years of only hardwired specifications for fire systems. In the article, a leading industry consultant, Larry Chervenak, pointed out that World's system is on the leading edge of technology. In the March 1987 edition of Alarm Installer and Dealer magazine, the editor stated, "The wireless communication technique is a further advancement of the rapidly expanding radio technology. The acceptance of wireless technology ushers in a multitude of benefits for early warning, especially to building codes requiring fire warning systems." The Miami Herald pointed out that World Electronics has developed a system that costs approximately half the price of conventional systems, yet offers additional advantages. The system continues to operate even in the event of electrical fires, power outage, or other electrical problems, because it does not rely on anything but radio waves for communication. Research and development, manufacturing, and testing are performed at World Electronics' main plant in Florida, using high-quality testing equipment and the most sophisticated computer aid equipment. Unlike mass production operations, World Electronics thoroughly tests all equipment prior to shipment, thereby eliminating problems after installation. The combination of World Electronics' 8 years of research and development and their dedication to product perfection has enabled the company to continually win the praise of clients and industry experts. Overall, the World Electronics wireless early warning system has the capability of meeting the fire and security communications needs of every facet of the commercial and industrial marketplace. World Electronics, bringing the world of safety and communication to you through wireless communication.